Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn JavaScript string methods. Why we require to learn string methods, and if the method is readily available, if we know how to use these built-in methods, how simple to write a programming language. Let's see. Many of the programming languages will have built-in methods like strings, so which are already available in programming language by default, which you are writing JavaScript. So how to use it, if you know, and writing to solving many problems with the help of these methods, like it will help you to write quick programs, like a quick functionality. You can using these functionality of methods and making your own quick and solving solutions in your problem statements in your JavaScript will help you to making more like expertise in JavaScript program. So let's see one by one. We'll see now string, how we can make the slices. First we will see slice method. Slice method. What do you mean by the slice method? This method. So how we can apply this slice method in JavaScript, we'll see. Slice extracts a part of a string. It's nothing but a bread is making independent, like a small pieces would be called as it's a slicing of a bread. Either one, any one you can, once the slicing is done, any a small part from the whole bread you can make it out and you may use it. So with the help of such a option in a whole string of JavaScript, like in the string, using slice method to making cut and pieces of this string, and you can use which particular piece you need. What you need to require here, the starting position and ending position is required to slice the particular area of the string, and you can use it. How simple it is. Let's see. Very simply we'll see like how we are getting a simple slicing things in this particular string. We'll see now. Like inside the script, same thing, which the output I'm going to assigning to this JavaScript element is going to be displaying it p tag. So inside the JavaScript, I am preparing the statements. Maybe you may write the program in inline, internal or external JavaScript. Anywhere you may prepare, the output would be the same. So avoiding the confusion, I am preparing here itself all the examples. Alright, let's take like fruits. Let's take it's a fruits. So here what we need to do, like something like I'm putting some double quotes and apple, banana, kiwi and orange. These fruits are here. Now what I'll trying to do, I'm trying to slicing this particular whole string. I'm slicing whole particular this particular string. How it is, let's see. It's a very simple built-in method we are going to using now. Fruits dot slice, S-L-I-C-E, slice method. Within the parenthesis, you may put some, for an example, 5 comma around 15. Save it, and 5 comma 15, the range would be like a 5 comma 15 characters, from 5 to 15 characters. How it will be sliced from the whole string. This is called whole string, where the initiating of double quotes and ending with the double quotes, it will be called as whole string. Let's see now. So this is the slicing option I have given inside the slice method. So let's refresh the page. Okay, so banana, first comma and banana is getting an output. If I want only banana, I'll make it from 7 let's see, I'm making my conveniently, I'm making 7. Yes, banana only. So this, if I don't want this comma also, so what I do, I'll reduce one more character, 7 to 14. Reload. Save it. Yeah, now reload. Okay, so make it 13. Save it. Reload. Okay, so the comma is also removed and eliminated. So how simple it is. So these particular banana item only I am getting outside by slicing of the front part and end part. So the positions I have given, where to start, where to end. So this way you try to prepare your code very simply and very clearly. Now the next method we'll see. Now the next method we'll see, it is like a substring. Substring is also very important. Substring is also very important in real time, like a real time terms of use. So here you may observe, instead of a slice, we may put like a substring here. Yeah, we may put here, it's a fruits dot string, substring of the same thing. What slicing is happened to do, the substring will also do the same thing. If I put like a 20, we'll add more characters. Save it, reload. So kiwi is also coming. So making like something, a characters from 13 onwards 20 means it will give like a kiwi fruit only. So accordingly substring also, most of the cases substring when it will be used, date format, you want either date or month or year only. Such a time you need to write substring very clearly in real world applications. Many times you require this substring method. So strongly remember to get all the functionality which is required to get more information with the help of substring programming. Now let's see, by seeing like a very simple information, like something is there for making like a replace. Okay, so the replace, we need to write something more functionality to be added over here. Replace are there. I'll write more things you need to, which you need to explore more helpful for replace. PLACE, replace. Yeah, replace method, and uppercase. Okay, uppercase is a method, and lowercase is a method. You need to try to practice these things to learn like why replace is required. If anything you want to replace from the string, yes, directly you try to apply this method. And similarly you need to write like what I can say, that uppercase as well as the lowercase, these things also very important when you want to present some data to somewhere else. It's very helpful for you. And one more thing, concatenation, it's called, it's a method name, it is concat. So this I'll explain you now. So the concat is a method which will help us like very importantly. Why? Because adding strings in multiple, adding strings, appending and concatenation, these are very important. Hello. First for this I'll write like str1, string 1 I'm taken, string 2 I'm taken. Okay, hello developer. Okay, so now what I am trying to doing, let final will take, and these I'm trying to doing str1 dot concatenation method with the empty space. I'm using like what it is, str2, that's it, terminate. So the final I'm going to print here final, that's it. Now let's run it. Save and run. Hello developer. You see the output how it is. Similarly, if you want to make it more productivity, more combinations, you may create one more str3 variable and add some data. With the final, you may add concatenation very easily. How simply it is, let's see. Let me write let str3 hello developer welcome. Hello developer welcome. So str3, how I can add here? Just simply make comma str3. That's it. Save it. Reload it. Hello developer welcome. That's it. You may use a space here or somewhere else. Yes, you will get an output. So beauty. So the concatenation is very important while you are presenting the data in output. Where you are preparing reports or any print formats. Such a time, multiple dynamic variables you will get from different sources, while especially using joins. In such time, you need to gather all the different parameters at single place. There, if you need to accumulate the things and in a single column, if you want to present the data, such time the concatenation will help you greatly. So try to practice more and more these methods will help you greatly. I'll catch you in the next lecture. Thank you.